Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for straightforward reviews of products that matter. Today, we're looking at what is arguably the best topical flea and tick treatment for large cats over 9 pounds, the TevraPet Actispot 2. This product comes with 6 powerful doses and is designed to provide long-lasting prevention and control. If you're a cat parent tired of the constant battle against fleas, this might just be your new go-to solution. Let's get into why this product stands out. The TevraPet Actispot 2 is a topical treatment, which means it's applied directly to the skin, typically at the base of the cat's neck. It's specifically made for large cats weighing 9 pounds or more, and each box contains 6 monthly doses. That's half a year of protection in one package. The formula is powered by 2 active ingredients, imidacloprid and pyriproxyfen. These are well-established names in the world of flea control. Imidacloprid starts working fast by attacking the flea's nervous system, leading to quick elimination. Pyriproxyfen, on the other hand, is an insect growth regulator that stops the flea life cycle cold. It prevents eggs and larvae from maturing, which means future infestations don't even get the chance to start. One of the best things about this product? It's waterproof and fast-acting. You can expect noticeable results within 12 hours of application. That's a huge relief if your cat is already suffering from an infestation. It continues working for up to 30 days per dose, ensuring month-long protection even if your cat goes outdoors or gets bathed. Another highlight: this treatment is vet quality, yet available without a prescription. It's manufactured in the USA and developed to be a direct alternative to more expensive brand-name treatments like Advantage 2. The goal is to offer similar efficacy, without the premium price tag. As for usage, it's simple. Just part your cat's fur and apply the contents of one tube directly to the skin. There's no need to rub it in. The formula quickly spreads through the natural oils on your cat's skin, providing thorough coverage. Now, let's talk about compatibility. It's safe for use on cats over 8 weeks of age, as long as they meet the minimum weight requirement of 9 pounds. That makes it ideal for adult cats and larger kittens transitioning into adulthood. Another feature to note: it's labeled as gluten-free, which may be helpful for households concerned with potential allergens. The packaging is minimal and practical, and the small tubes are easy to store and open. The entire box weighs only about 2.9 ounces, so it's portable and travel-friendly if you're going on extended trips with your feline. It's important to mention that while this product offers powerful protection, it's always wise to consult with your veterinarian before switching flea treatments, especially if your cat has a history of skin sensitivities or other health issues. To wrap it up, TevraPet Actispot 2 provides a compelling combination of effectiveness, affordability, and ease of use. With 6 waterproof, fast-acting monthly doses in one box, and ingredients that disrupt both adult fleas and their offspring, this product truly delivers peace of mind for pet owners of large cats. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If this video helped you decide, give us a like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns every week. See you in the next one, and give your cat a head scratch from us.